these are all power bikes. And this one too is power bike, a very big one at the matter. My business name is the Dynamic Kiddies Store, and I sell children toys.
Okay.
Like you can see different varieties here. That's what we do sell.
Okay.
This Mercedes GLE, the single seater. This is single seater. It also has double seater. Okay, and this Maybach. This Maybach here. It has different colors. This one also Wrangler. It has different colors too. And these are all power bikes. These are all power bikes. And this one too is power bike, a very big one at the matter. Very, very big power bike. These are size 20 bicycles, different sizes. These are size 16 and these are size 12s. Yeah. And these are tricycles for children from the age of 1 to 3, 4 years. These are different tricycles and different designs. We also sell children tab. We also sell children tab like this. The other one is out of stock for now.
Okay.
But we do sell it very, very well.
Okay, this is just your sample store. You have them
in stock.
Store in warehouse.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also have children desk, school desk.
Okay.
So maybe that one I might forward it to you. It's not easy to fix. School desk, we have school desk, we have KZ, different children chairs. Okay, we'll have children chairs and all that. So maybe later I'll forward it to you.
All right. So
Yeah.
what you deal on mainly are children
Toys,
everything
yeah.
children.
Anything called children
Okay.
toys, yeah. These are
Don't mind
tricycles.
The way the camera is showing it, they are actually big
Yeah.
and can be played with.
So the business name there,
Okay,
dynamic it is.
Okay, dynamic.
The dynamic,
Yeah. That's it.
yeah.
All right,
That's it.
thank you, sir. Please give us your phone number and your address. Should our viewers want to contact you?
Okay. My shop number is located at number 52, New Plaza, Article Market, opposite Trade Fair Under Bridge, Lagos. My phone number is 070-3456-2118. I come again, 070-3456-2118.
So if somebody that is not around here or outside Lagos wants to buy, do you deliver to them?
Sure, definitely. We do by delivery, but we don't pay nationwide. You contact me, then if I have any idea, then I will tell you how to do the delivery. Okay? I do delivery. Even yesterday, I did delivery to Owerri. So by God's grace, he's receiving these goods today. Being a Range Rover, bigger one of this one. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
You're
sir.
welcome. You're welcome.
Do have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
All right.